Did you know that octopuses can edit their own genetic code? Unlike most animals, octopuses don't rely solely on DNA mutations to evolve. Instead, they use RNA editing to rewrite their genes in real time. This allows them to adapt to extreme environments without changing their DNA. Imagine if humans could rewrite their genes to survive in space. If evolution had a shortcut, would we still need millions of years to change? If this fact blew your mind, give this video a like and subscribe for more amazing scientific facts. Curiosity about the world around us is the spark that ignites the fire of knowledge. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding the secrets of life and the universe.